Are you looking for one tool that could test your cables, troubleshoot connectivity, and even analyze Wi-Fi 6E type networks, all in seconds? Look no further than Fluke's LinkIQ Duo. In this RS product spotlight video, you'll learn about the all-in-one network tester built for today's connected world. The LinkIQ Duo is more than a cable tester. It's a versatile connectivity tool that verifies copper cabling, identifies switch details, and provides insights into Wi-Fi networks across 2.4, 5, and 6 GHz bands. Let's go over some key features. It provides cable testing you can trust by verifying cable performance up to 10 GB per second, and detects opens, shorts, miswires, and split pairs on RJ45, M12 X and decoded, and M8 decoded cables supporting Ethernet IP, PROFINET, EtherCAT, and other industrial Ethernet protocols with a full wire map. It offers essential connectivity checks, including switch identification by IP address, MAC, port, VLAN, and advertised speeds. It features in-depth PoE testing, which detects PoE class, available power, and applies a real load to verify delivery. It includes Wi-Fi analysis that displays networks, channels, and access points with signal strength and flags illegal channels, overlapping access points, and weak security settings. It can store up to 1,000 test results and integrates with Linkware PC for easy reporting. It generates analog and digital tones for cable tracing, port blink to identify switch ports, and has a rechargeable battery, USB-C charging, and a touchscreen interface. Whether you're installing structured cabling, maintaining an enterprise network, or troubleshooting industrial Ethernet, the LinkIQ Duo is built for network installers and contractors, IT technicians and engineers, data center managers, industrial automation professionals, and system integrators and service providers. With the LinkIQ Duo, you get faster troubleshooting with automatic test discovery, confidence in PoE delivery with real load validation, insight into Wi-Fi environments including 6 GHz, and more problems solved with fewer tools to carry. It's a smart way to simplify your workflow and reduce downtime. Ready to upgrade your networking testing game? Contact Fluke or our RS Engineering Support Group to learn how the LinkIQ Duo can streamline your diagnostic from cable to cloud. Visit our RS site in the links below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell for more RS product spotlight videos like this. Thanks for watching.